Hello students, today we are going to discuss Geography chapter 1. The topic is India size and location. Under this chapter we will discuss location and size, India and the world and its neighbors. We will start with location and size. India lies in the northern hemisphere as well as in the eastern hemisphere. As you are able to see in the map that India lies in east of prime meridian and north of equator. So you can say that India lies in northeastern part of the globe. Latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Hence 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And time difference between two longitudes are 4 minutes. Now we will discuss about longitude and latitude in brief. The latitudes are the angular distance of a point on the land from equator. Total number of latitude are 180. Equator is the central latitude. It divides globe in two parts, two hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The distance between two latitudes increase towards pole. They are also called parallels because they don't intersect each other at any point. Now longitudes is angular distance of a point on the land from prime meridian. Total number of meridian are 360. Zero degree is the prime meridian. It is also called Greenwich. The distance between two longitudes decrease towards poles. They are equal in length. This is grid. Grid is network formed by the intersection of latitude and longitudes. Total land area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, which is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Area wise, India is 7th largest country of world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. The total land boundary is about 15,200 kilometers. Total length of coastal line of mainland as well as Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island is 7,516.6 kilometer. Tropic of Cancer divides India in two equal parts. It passes through 8 states of India. The name of the states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. You can remember the name of the states remembering only one sentence, that is Mera JCB at GMT, whereas MI stand for Mizoram, RA for Rajasthan, J for Jharkhand, C for Chhattisgarh, B for Bengal. Just ignore at. Thereafter G for Gujarat, M for Madhya Pradesh and T for Tripura. India is bounded by young folded mountain in the northeastern, northwest, and northern area, whereas surrounded by ocean in the south. Its southern extension towards the Indian Ocean, it divides Indian Ocean into two seas. In the east, it is Bay of Bengal, and in west, it is Arabian Sea. North-south extension of India is nearby 3,214 kilometers, and east-west extension is 2,933 kilometers. Look at this map. Apart from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, in Arabian Sea near the Gujarat, it is Gulf of Kutch. Thereafter, below Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat is there. Thereafter, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a Park Strait, narrow water body, that is the Park Strait, and Gulf of Mannar. India has two islands. In Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands is situated. The origin of Andaman Nicobar Island is volcanic, whereas in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is there, and the Lakshadweep Islands are coral origin. 82° 30' east is accepted as standard meridian of India, and local time of this meridian is accepted as Indian Standard Time, which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Now the question arises, why we need standard meridian? As you know, the longitudinal extent of India is 68° 7' east to 97° 25' east. It is nearby 30°. Extension is nearby 30°, and this 30°, because of this extension, the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours. So, avoid the confusion of time in different states, we have to select a standard meridian. So, now what is the criteria of selecting standard meridian? The meridian should be, there are basically two criteria. The meridian should be in central position among all the meridian which passes through a country, and it should be divisible by 150 or 730, 150° or 7° 30 minutes. It is because of because we can express the difference between standard time of the meridian and the Greenwich Mean Time as multiples of an hour or half an hour. Now we will discuss the India and the world. The central location between East and West Asia. It has longest coastal line on the Indian Ocean, and this vast coastline helped India to flourish the trade and commerce. Also, the trans-Indian ocean routes connect it with Europe, Africa, East and West Asia. Now, the historical ties. The historical ties before the development of the ocean routes, India was connected to the world via land route. This land route passes through mountain passes and was the part of famous Silk Route. Through these land routes, India has had exchanged ideas of Upanishads, Ramayana, the story of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and decimal system. It also exchanged the commodities like spices and muslins. Muslin was basically a type of cotton cloth which was famous at that time, and also they have exchanged sculptures and architecture style of architecture such as dome and minars from West Asia and Greek as well. And we are also able to see these type of architecture in present time in some of the famous monuments. Before the construction of Suez Canal, the distance between India and Europe was nearby 19,800 kilometers, which was reduced by 7,000 kilometers because of the Suez Canal. Earlier than the Suez Canal, the European traders have to cross the Africa via Hope of Cape of Good Hope to reach India. But Suez Canal make this journey easy. Now last one, the India's neighbors. The total number of states in India is 28 and 9 union territories. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are the latest addition in union territories. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Srinagar is summer capital, whereas Jammu is winter capital. The capital of Ladakh is Leh and Kargil. Area wise, Goa is the smallest state, Rajasthan is the largest state, and by population wise, Sikkim is the smallest state, and Uttar Pradesh is the largest state. Talking about the neighbors of India, we will start from the western side. From northwestern part, India shares its boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in north, again China in north, Nepal, Bhutan in north, and in northeast Myanmar and Bangladesh. In south, two island countries share their water border. It is Sri Lanka, situated in the Bay of Bengal, and it is separated by Pak Strait from India's mainland. And in Arabian Sea, Maldives is situated. Now lastly we will discuss the India before 1947. The two types of states were present at that time. The first one was the princely states. The princely states were the states which were ruled by the local hereditary rulers who have acknowledged sovereignty of the British rule, and the Britishers have allowed them to rule their area. Then next type is provinces. Provinces were the states which were directly ruled by British officials appointed by the Viceroy. With this portion, I will conclude the chapter. Read this chapter well and thoroughly read the chapter in your book and underline the main points, and bye. Take care and study well.